Hey guys, this is part 2 of White Noise Online. Guitar Man here will be playing again.
Let's just doodle.
It's the bomb right there.
At like 1 o'clock at night.
Yeah. No big deal.
By the way, it's probably gonna be after the 4th of July when we upload this, but happy 4th, everybody.
It's
America rules.
After the 4th now, isn't it?
Oh yeah, good point. Happy 5th, everybody.
Yeah, I don't know when I'll get to upload this video, but try to do it as soon as possible. We'll be playing the map Founders Hall. The first map he played was all the way on the right.
You're going right to left. And every single level we play, it's gonna be on Nightmare.
Which is the hardest difficulty. Go down to the guy with the mask. Go up. Hit A. You need 2 more tapes to unlock him.
Oh, cool.
And he's pretty good, but I like the guy to the left of that guy. Down. That guy. Because he's got +3 flashlight.
Huh.
Which is awesome. Because he'll have his flashlight like the entire time you play Nightmare.
Okay,
One moment, please. Yeah, I hate the whispering so much.
This time I'm gonna attempt to go left.
Already a green pillar. Stop, you're gonna die, Tyler.
Oh, hey, there's my hey, ghost. Don't walk towards it. He'll die. Oh my god, there's 2 ghosts.
Don't look at it, Tyler. You're not going towards the ghost?
No, it's blocked off. With red velvet that I
No,
can't.
you can walk through it.
You can?
Yeah, you can walk through the red cave.
You're freaking kidding me.
No.
Well, that sucks.
By the way, this is the 2nd time recording this.
2nd time me playing it.
2nd time him playing this map. Last time I forgot to delete the last video on the camera, so we ran out of space. So that video didn't complete, and I got pretty mad.
And we had to get toaster strudels to calm our nerves.
Yeah. Toaster strudels.
What's that?
That's it.
I knew what you were gonna say.
I'm gonna start working on the first video while you're doing that.
Okay.
Start editing it. Although
I just realized I'm supposed to be looking for tapes.
He was just exploring the museum here in Toronto.
Wasn't there one right there? Last time.
And that was in the room with the round pillars.
There was a long pillars too.
They were round pillars though. There aren't any in the block pillar ones.
Oh, hey, more paintings of a dude and a dude. Bigfoot. Okay, we found some big footprints, so we'll go towards that.
Because those are always nice to find.
Hey, almost every there's more paintings than just one. Oh, there's a Bigfoot print on this painting. That means we need to go this way.
I left. He was staying like right on the other side of that corner when you turned it. Yeah, that green pillar just appeared there.
That's freaking creepy. Now my freaking heart's racing.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What if we had like a heart thing? You know what I'm talking about?
Oh,
Oh, I thought your flashlight just busted out.
I wish. No, I'm kidding. Well, that is a very exquisite statue. There's more than one. Oh.
I already saw it.
You did? Why can't I ever find it? Where is it? Where are you? Freaking hiding from me. How did you see that? I haven't even...
Should turn it up a little bit.
You know what feels similar to me? This game feels similar to Slender. I had to think for a moment. I was chewing.
You always gotta chew.
I can't think and chew at the same time.
No.
It kind of sucks.
Surprised you're playing video games and chewing at the same time.
Those are mud.
Those are mud. Last video recording here says those are mud. Cause he thought they were Bigfoot footprints. He said those are footprints or something. He was gonna say those are Bigfoot footprints or whatever. But he got closer and he said nope, those are mud.
Going the wrong way.
I would laugh if you were right there.
He probably would have been.
Hey, quit texting your woman.
Not a woman.
Shout out to Talia.
She is. Oh yeah. Thanks for saying that. Yep, we're going the right way because I just saw a Bigfoot painting. Oh my god, terracotta
That
statues.
scared me.
He's missing his
I
head.
just see the bodies. I'm like, There's
Give me
usually
a hug.
always one in here.
Hey, buddy. I can hear it. I can hear it now.
Oh, I saw it.
How do you see? Oh, okay.
I got a good eye for these things.
And I don't because they're normally large. They're freaking huge.
They are huge. I don't ever.
They're usually like this size, but like they're...
I never remember tape recording being 2 feet high and 4 feet wide. Everybody should wear Speedos.
Speedos and socks.
Hashtag Speedo is life.
Speedos,
Speedos!
Speedos
You
and
just
long...
stop and turn around and look at me like,
And long...
what did I just say?
Speedos and long rainbow socks.
Yeah, but you have to have the long golden, like, strip.
Oh my god! No! You freaking shake your head.
Remember when he caught you that one time? He was like this. Look, he was like...
He's always like that. He's a freaking gross dude. Hey, look.
A glow slender alien.
Slender alien with a 7.5 pack.
I think Bigfoot's leading you to death.
On your own, I can spring behind me. Oh, and there's a ghost behind him too. Kill him, ghost. Why did you kill him? You freaking...
Maybe the ghosts are like... You're going... Oh, I thought you were going into a corner for a second. Maybe the ghosts are like his guardians. I've already been in this room.
I have. I go in circles. You know this.
Yeah. Last time we walked in the same room, probably at least 5 times.
Oh wait, this is my third time. Not my
It's your
second.
second.
It's my third time because that's. Oh my god!
Follow him.
No, he's got weird hair. Don't look behind. Why are you walking? Give me a hug. Give me a kiss. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I told you they're his guardians.
Be quiet. Fuck it. Okay, like, who's whistling? Is this guy whistling? Quit, you're walking faster than me. Sounds like I'm taking a ride on a horse.
You're dead. You're dead. You're so dead.
No.
Yes, you're dead.
No, I'm not.
That sound means that he's really close. Hear that grumbling sound?
I hear that all the time.
That's him basically in your stomach right now. In that corner.
Nope.
Stop talking to Talia.
Oh, it's fine. It's...
Gosh, Talia. You're gonna get your boyfriend killed one day.
No. No, I'm gonna get myself killed. Oh my god, it's in there.
It's a corner.
Oh, you freaking ghost! I freaking hate your hair. Quit looking at me. Quit looking at me. I can see your freaking nasal cavity through your head. That's kind of funny. What? You freaking behind me! Oh, why did I turn on my light? Just freaking run!
Oh god, he was right behind you. Why didn't he catch you?
Because
like he could have put his arm through you right there. He was that close.
Hey, those mud.
Those are mud.
He's got a new haircut. Two at the same time.
Two at the same time?
Hey, it's those things.
Yeah, don't get stuck in them.
Yeah, I don't want to like teleport again.
There's one right there though.
Where?
Right there.
Tell me because he's freaking behind me. Three. Freaking run.
We haven't even gotten to 4 yet? Is this even still recording? Yeah, it's still recording.
Okay, thank God, because I don't want to do this again.
So you can clip through stuff?
No clip. He's not. He's freaking like. He's not that close.
He's like 50 yards.
Oh my God.
It's a dead end.
Oh, the freaking
samurais.
Terracotta Army. And 3D.
Just wait until the monster catches him. That's when he flips out the most.
He's not there again. He's not there again. He's not there. I'm afraid.
That's when you have to worry. That's when you should be worried. You're going in circles.
I panic and I go in circles. It happens.
Don't go that way. That's where the samurais are.
Like, I'm gonna get like 7.5
That's where the samurais are.
I know.
You're going in circles.
I know.
Why?
Because I'm trying to know where I am.
Oh, I think you know where you are. If you keep taking a left turn, you're just gonna go in circles.
Your feet are very blocky. I don't follow you, Bigfoot. You went up the freaking wall.
I can't wait to see the path that you took.
Me either. I mean, what?
That freaking hamster's still going at it, huh?
In a freaking room. The door opened. I closed it all the way. I closed it all the way.
Are you sure? Because when I came down here, I looked and it was open.
Gravity defying Bigfoot right there.
Gosh.
Freaking funny.
You've been in that room.
Why does everything have to go 3D? He's not there anymore.
What are you talking about? Everything goes 3D.
I think he goes. And then,
That's the static.
How's it there again? Oh my, where is he? He's behind me now.
He's like right behind you. Just kidding, I don't know that.
Quit mumbling. I don't like you. Jeez.
Gosh, women. Just keep it paused.
And then let's go. Okay, we're back. My sister, like, walked down here. So sorry about that.
She's still here.
Oh my God. Leave me alone.
You're supposed to give me a smooch.
I don't know which way. Oh,
Oh, I forgot it was one of the, like, the dead
hello.
end ways.
I'm glad it's not upside down because it freaking laughed my butt off. Oh, there's one right there. Finally, I got 4.
Finally got 4.
Halfway done.
Now stuff's about to go down.
Last time we got 5. Let's see if we can get 6.5.
6.5. How do you get half?
Samurai sword. You steal one from those terracotta guys, and you cut it in half.
Then why wouldn't you just take
The whole one?
Yeah.
Because I don't want to become a monster.
Yeah, when your flashlight's off, the camera can't see anything. Oh crap! I need to turn this in.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! This is the 10th time you've been in the samurai room.
Well, they're very handsome. I mean, I wonder if they got to the top yet. Is he behind me again? He's making.
Yeah, I think you're about to die.
I don't want him. I don't think the museum is scary as like outside.
Yeah, I don't think it was either. You've been in it.
Oh my god! Oh!
You gonna follow him?
Oh, I've been in there. No, he
You've
teleported.
been in here too.
Which way haven't I gone? It makes noises.
Wait, what did it say?
What?
Did it say something?
No, we just went.
Yeah, but I thought I heard something go.
Eh? Yeah, it went all the time, except for really high.
Come on, Tyler.
He's not there yet. He's not. Oh my god, he's there! Freaking he's gonna wake up.
You turn around, you see him, you turn back around, start going forward. Then you turn around, look back, he's not there. And when you turn around and go forward again, he's right in front of you. Oh my gosh. I swear you haven't seen half of the museum.
Oh my god, no! It's freaking like, oh, it's moving. It's like, the gameplay is like screwed up now. Okay, sorry.
I would laugh if you would have done that and the monster got you as you turned over the camera.
The camera, stopped.
Stop recording because I was out of space.
Yeah, we came back. We paused it this time. You okay?
Yeah.
Did you like chew on your gum or something?
No, I don't know what happened. Shut up.
Let's see.
Tyler, tell your sister, shut up. Why are you playing music? Why are you playing music? It's all country.
Surf stuff. Let's see. Is it track 2?
Why are we playing country music at a
It's
time
country.
like this?
It's beach time. The beach side.
Stop it. Tyler, stop it. Face palm.
It's a good song.
It's not appropriate for this time.
I know. But it'll like calm my nerves.
I feel like they're gonna die really soon.
You know what? We're gonna stop the video really quick. Okay, we're back. We got music.
This is not appropriate for them.
I'm sorry, but hey.
It's not that it's not appropriate. It's not appropriate.
Well, it's not legal for the game. It's like it's totally appropriate. It's not like rap music or anything.
I'm gonna turn it down because they can probably hear that better than they can hear us. Here it is.
Sorry. doesn't speak American. You just communicated to him.
Lo siento, senor. I forgot what harm is.
Oh my god! He's not even in the right room! I was gonna look behind me!
Oh my gosh, you've been in that room a couple times.
Only a couple.
Only like 4.
Let's see, can we go there? Nope.
Is he still behind you?
I should hope not.
Are you gonna check?
Nope. Okay. Set. Back to what we were doing.
Now, I don't see this recording going on for much longer.
So, yeah, neither do I. Because there's one right there, and then there was one right up, yeah. See? And then I bet he's behind, he's behind me! He's behind me! I told you! Oh, there's a corner right here. Okay, that's good. Oh, oh, Jesus. He did it again.
Alright then. That's Guitar Man for you guys.
I told you, like, you got it. You said that it wouldn't go on for much longer.
You only screamed twice. It says you only screamed twice, but you definitely
right.
screamed a lot more than that.
I didn't think it'd flip out like that bad again.
Look, there he goes. Same line up and down. Ready? And then he...
I did reach the top though, just to say.
Yeah, and you were good going all the way, like, left all the way, until you decided to turn right one time or whatever.
And then I just kept going in circles from there.
Yeah.
All at the bottom.
You're in a circle.
Again.
You saw him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, 8 times already. 9 times.
What was that?
I don't know what the explosion thingy is. If somebody could tell me what, like, comment what the explosion thing right there is, that would be greatly appreciated.
This is white noise, and that scared the crap out of me.
Alright guys, well, you heard it here first. White noise is scary.
Yeah, it's really scary.
It's true. I remember my first times. Alright guys, we'll see you next time.